Hi guys, in this video we will see how to find, change or remove saved password in your browser, Chrome, Firefox or Microsoft Edge. How to find, change or remove saved password on your Google Chrome browser. If you have saved, want to see, find or delete or remove saved password on your Google Chrome browser, here are the process. Launch Google Chrome browser first and here click on three vertical dot against top right corner, and here you will find password and autofill. Hover the cursor on password and autofill and choose Google Password Manager. Google Password Manager is now open. Here you can easily see your password. If you want to view any password, saved password, all your password will available here. Simply click on it to view or change. If you want to view or change or delete any password, simply click on that particular password. And here unlock your PC and here you can view your saved password. Click on just this icon and see your password. If you want to delete this, simply click on delete. Your password will now successfully deleted. So see how to find, change or remove saved password on your Mozilla Firefox browser. If you want to view or change or remove saved password on your Firefox browser, here are the process. Launch Mozilla Firefox first and here click on three horizontal line against top right corner and here choose passwords. Click on passwords and here you will find all your saved password in your Mozilla Firefox browser. If you want to change it or if you want to remove it, simply click on remove or simply view password on. Click on this icon and you will see your password, and if you want to remove, then simply choose remove or edit. So you can easily change, view or delete your saved password from Mozilla Firefox browser. How to find, change or remove saved password from your Microsoft Edge browser. If you want to find out, change or remove any saved password in your Microsoft Edge browser, here are the process. Launch Microsoft Edge browser first and here click on three horizontal dot against top right corner. And here go to settings. Thereafter click on three horizontal line against top left corner and here choose passwords and autofill. Here you will find Microsoft Password Manager. Click on it. Password and autofill Microsoft Password Manager. Ask to save passwords and passkeys. Turn this feature toggle button on to enable this feature to ask to save password and passkeys. And if you want not to ask saved password and passkey, then disable it. Now here you will find all your saved password. If you want to view your saved password, simply click on your here click on your password and unlock your Windows 11 system, and here you will see your account name and password will visible here. Simply click on the icon and you will see your password. If you want to remove it, remove saved password, simply click on delete and your saved password selected password will be permanently deleted from your Microsoft account, and your saved password will now successfully deleted from Microsoft Edge browser. That's all.